Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to clean up a mesh for whatever purpose for use inside Blender for to set it to a game engine or whatever. I'm gonna teach you how to unwrap this quickly, and I'm gonna be using a optimized loop, which is an add-on. I'm gonna put the link below, right? So let's start it. First I will select the mesh. Both are exactly the same. We have this amount of edges at the border, so maybe you want to optimize that, right? So you select your mesh, go to edit mode, and then press F3, type optimized loops and click it, and bam, you optimize the loop. Be sure that this is on, right? Auto smooth is on, otherwise it will be like this. And if you import an FBX model, maybe this comes like with a normal built-in or already, so it will be weird the results unless you press this guy, which will give you this message at the end. Because if it comes with an FBX and a normal, it will be clear normal softness, and then you press and it will be like this, right? And for now they have a texture applied, but it's not showing because there is no UVW applied on it. So what we can do, we can select everything here, right? We select everything, and then we press make sure that you are on edge mode, and you press right button and click in mark seam. So you mark a seam in the entire thing, right? And then press U, smart UVW. Bam, here you go. Now you have your mesh, you have your UVW going to all in the same direction towards the based on how long it is the face, right? So the only thing you have to do is you go in your UVW and rotate it 90 degrees. So now everything goes right, okay? Everything goes right, and then you can leave it the edit mode. Go to your modifiers, apply two modifiers, bevel and weighting normals, right? First for the bevel, let's close them. First for the bevel, you make sure that you check angle, so it's gonna just bevel based on the angle. Is the max chamfer based on just the angle, right? And right now we have a clamp overlap, which means that it's avoiding any overlapping face. But for this, the purpose of this tutorial, I'm not gonna consider that, so I remove it. And then you will bevel it the way you want, the way you think that makes sense. And then here on your weight normal, this is what is gonna make the mesh look like smooth. You know, if you remove your wireframe, these guys is what is making not be faced but look like smooth. So right now you have these two meshes, totally different, you know, in terms of how low and how high res the mesh is. This is high res, kind of, it's not totally high res, but this is very low, and this can be used for games in general, in particular for Unreal. If you go here, you have your UVW map 1, which we will go for the channel of texturing, channel 0 in Unreal, right? If you wanna create another light map for whatever reason you want it, right? Because let's say that now you don't have your the boundaries of your UV unwrap inside the square, so you just create another one, and then you can press smart object again, and voila, you pack up. So you have two different normal channels, and you select in Unreal, this for the texture and this for the light. And that's all, folks. I think you like it, I hope you like it. And yeah, see you soon. This can be very handy if you have a big scene with lots of geometry and you have to clean up that, and you don't want to mess around with selecting polygons, deleting, and studying the scene too much. You can do this and you should be fine, right? Hope to see you soon. Bye.